love the lob haircut, so whether we're going to do it higher, as with Katie's hairstyle in the tutorial today, or lower at this length, it's just a beautiful technique to work with your razor to do the L technique. And you'll find with the razor, it will take you there very, very, very quickly. Remember, we want to do one haircut on one client, not 3 techniques to get one result. So you're going to really enjoy the efficiency of this. So you can see that working with a parting is going to be a huge difference from the side to the center. How you're going to style your hairstyle as well is going to be really, really important. So what I want you to think about as you go through this particular look is think about where your focal point is. Where is your longest point? And I like to do this. I like to get my front pieces, I gather them together, and I go, okay, this is the length that I would like. I find the place where I'd like it to be, and I will just do a little snip, and I'll see how that length is living there. And then from there, I'll go, okay, now I have the most important thing here. So now from here, I'm going to look at where my length is going to be at the side, and I'm going to go, okay, that's where my length is going to be at the side. So I give myself a couple of markers that I can cut to, so I don't get lost in the technique and lose the shape. So that's really important. Remember, detail, big picture. Detail, big picture. Very important to do that, and use your mirror. Cut and play with the hair. Don't let the hair be static. Talk to the hair. Let the hair talk back to you so you can see the expression and the movement it's going through. So this is a wonderful technique that you'll be able to apply to many, many different shapes, and I think you're going to learn the artfulness and the lightness of working with the razor. If the razor is new to you, be sure to restudy the fundamentals in the razor. If cutting to you is still a little frightening and daunting, go back to the fundamentals in cutting. Understand the sectioning and why we map out the hairstyles the way that we do. Everything within this course is a building block to take you to the next level to create the ultimate success. So I hope you enjoy doing this hairstyle. It's a lot of fun.
Are you passionate about hair and ready to take your styling career to the next level? If so, don't skip this video. Instead, click the link to find out how you can join thousands of hairdressers who've improved their skills, gained confidence, and increased their earnings by as much as 60 to 70% in just a few short months. Amazing, right? What are you waiting for? Click the link and I will see you on the inside.
First, note your desired focal point. Work towards this while sectioning. Use the L technique for soft, light edges and work in small sections. Imagine that you are drawing with a pencil. Keep your elbow still. Work from your wrist. Always be sure to cross-check. Step back and review your shape. Always have a plan. Begin styling while cutting your shape. Create valleys and peaks to give your style dimension.
Working with our razor is such a beautiful tool to create an inside and an outside shape, as you saw. If this is the first time you're working with the razor, start off with some longer hair and start to work with your layering as you're going down and you're layering down and then you're going out to create your outline shape. If you're right-handed, you're going to be doing the L technique because you're going down and then you're going across. You're going down and then you're going across. If you're left-handed, you will be doing a J. And we will be working around in this L technique in a very light way. Remember the lightness of how I'm working with my razor. Everything about this is very, very soft. You don't want to have heavy paws. You want to be very, very light and very delicate. So it looks as though you're painting the hair. Elbow quiet and down, shoulder relaxed, heaviness here. And as you're working with your razor, you just want to be very, very soft. If the wrist moves, that's fine, but it's a bigger movement. What you really do want is that lovely relaxation as you're working through. I love this razor because I can close my fist and I don't get cut. And I can work with this in so many different ways. So you'll notice my thumb is never this way because that would mean it's locked, I can't move. My thumb needs to be a spring. So when my thumb comes back and I spring like this, I can create that lovely, lovely softness. So that's what you'll be practicing. So make sure that you're really following along by going soft, soft, soft and over, soft, soft, soft and over. And that is the predominant method that we're using to create this lovely look.